4 things you should be focusing on every day. Every day, our attention is pulled in a million directions. To-do lists, both personal and work, family, friends, and even random errands, take up valuable brain real estate. It can be challenging to cut through the excess and give your attention to what really matters. Keep reading for the 4 things that you should be giving some attention to every day. 1. On a goal. You most likely have at least one goal that you're currently working on. Choose one goal to focus on every day. Focusing on a specific goal every day will allow it to stay in the forefront of your mind and ensure that you spend time working on it. Remember that breaking up big goals into smaller steps will allow you to spread the work over time and level up when necessary. 2. On the now. Allowing your mind to dwell on the past is of little use to your current situation. The past is over and you can't change it. Focus on what's happening right now in your life, what you need to accomplish, and on the good things you have to reflect on. Keeping your mind present is a better use of your time. 3. On the task at hand. This is important for all tasks that you must complete, but it can be difficult. Losing yourself to a task is something that typically only happens when you really enjoy what you're working on. However, with practice, you can learn to tune out distractions and find your flow. 4. On the positive. Don't let your mind fall down the tunnel of negativity and what-if thoughts. It's literally a dead-end road that'll take you nowhere. Focusing on the positives of a situation and in general will do 2 things. First, it'll keep your spirits up when times are tough and you feel like giving up. Second, positive thoughts manifest more positive thoughts, which in and of itself is motivating. Honing your thoughts in on specific tasks, aspects of life, and what you want out of your future is a process that takes time to work on. Your mind, like any muscle, works best when you train it regularly. Focusing on the items listed above daily will help train your brain to go to those items on its own, eventually turning you into a lean, mean, focusing machine.